Happy Friday, chikahan mga kapuso! Fashionably fabulous ang mga kapuso star na dumalo sa anniversary ng isang magazine. Kabilang ang ilan sa cast ng The Master Cutter. Naroon din si Michelle D na proud daw sa naging performance ni Gazini Granados sa MGI All-Stars. Pero ang tanong, is she ready to represent the Philippines again like Gazini? Makichika kay Aubrey Carampel.
Kasama ang ilang sparkle stars. Very island girl ang dating ni Max Collins nang dumalo sa anniversary party ng isang fashion and lifestyle magazine. Ang kanyang look, inspired ng kanyang karakter sa top-rating GMA Prime series na The Master Cutter. Si Elaine, ang babaeng nakilala sa isla ng bidang si Atoy na ginagampanan ni Dingdong Dantes. Pero sa pagbabalik ng kanyang karakter sa serye, nakilala na ang tunay niyang pagkatao bilang si Audrey Regalia.
That's why ang hirap kasi before hindi ko maipaliwanag yung character ko kasi secret pa noon that I'm the Regalia family, 'di ba? So my dad is the kaaway of Atoy, ayun. So parang maraming lumabas this week.
Nasa party rin ang co-star ni Max na si Charlie Fleming na very feminine in her black chic dress. Kabaliktaran nga ito ng kanyang boyish look sa serye as Carla. Thankful si Charlie na marami ang naaaliw sa kanyang karakter na very opposite ng kanyang personality.
It's just been fun because it's been super weird to explore. I don't drive yet, like I don't have a license, but they made it seem so real na kaya kong gawin. Super impressed ako. Really big thank you to Direct Dom and Kuya Dong because he's been teaching me and helping me and he's like, don't worry, just have confidence.
Nasa event din si Miss Universe Philippines 2023 Michelle D, na fresh from her hosting stint ng first edition ng Miss Grand International All-Stars sa Thailand. Very proud daw si Michelle sa Pinay Beauty Queens na nagrepresent ng ating bansa, kabilang ang co-sparkle beauty queen na si Gazini Granados na nakapasok sa top 5. May plano rin kayang sumali si Michelle sa naturang pageant?
I'm so proud of Gazini. I think the whole country is so proud of Gazini. Binigay naman talaga niya yung lahat ng makakaya niya. To answer your question, I never close doors. As soon as an opportunity opens or if there's a window, and as long as kaya ko pa, ilalaban ko talaga. Kasi I'm not ashamed to say na I'd love to represent the Philippines again.
Aubrey Carampel, updated sa Showbiz Happening.